अभी कितने बजे हैं? What time is it? What time is it? अभी 10 बजे हैं. It is 10 o'clock. It is 10 o'clock. क्या आपको आइसक्रीम पसंद है? Do you like ice cream? Do you like ice cream? मेरा पसंदीदा रंग नीला है. My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. आपका पसंदीदा रंग कौन सा है? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? हाँ, मेरा एक भाई है. Yes, I have one brother. Yes, I have one brother. क्या आपके पास भाई है? Do you have a brother? Do you have a brother? मेरा स्कूल मेरे घर के पास है. My school is near my house. My school is near my house. हाँ, मुझे आइसक्रीम बहुत पसंद है. Yes, I love ice cream. Yes, I love ice cream. क्या आपके पास कोई पालतू जानवर है? Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet? मेरा शौक किताबें पढ़ना है. My hobby is reading books. My hobby is reading books. आपका शौक क्या है? What is your hobby? What is your hobby? हाँ, मैं अंग्रेज़ी बोल सकता हूँ. Yes, I can speak English. Yes, I can speak English. क्या आप अंग्रेज़ी बोल सकते हैं? Can you speak English? Can you speak English? मेरा पसंदीदा खाना पिज़्ज़ा है. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. आपका पसंदीदा खाना क्या है? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? क्या आप तैर सकते हैं? Can you swim? Can you swim? हाँ, मैं क्रिकेट खेल सकता हूँ. Yes, I play cricket. Yes, I play cricket. क्या आप क्रिकेट खेलते हैं? Do you play cricket? Do you play cricket? मेरे पिता का नाम अनिल है. My father's name is Anil. My father name is Anil. आपके पिता का नाम क्या है? What is your father's name? What is your father's name? हाँ, मेरे पास एक कुत्ता है. Yes, I have a dog. Yes, I have a dog. क्या आपको पढ़ना पसंद है? Do you like reading? Do you like reading? क्या आपको संगीत पसंद है? Do you like music? Do you like music? हाँ, मुझे किताबें पढ़ना पसंद है. Yes, I like reading books. Yes, I like reading books. क्या आप आज खुश हैं? Are you happy today? Are you happy today? हाँ, मुझे संगीत बहुत पसंद है. Yes, I love music. Yes, I love music. हाँ, मैं आज बहुत खुश हूँ. Yes, I am very happy today. Yes, I am very happy today. क्या आपको चॉकलेट पसंद है? Do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate? हाँ, मुझे चॉकलेट पसंद है. Yes, I love chocolate. Yes, I love chocolate. क्या आप मेरे साथ आ रहे हैं? Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? हाँ, मैं आपके साथ आ रहा हूँ. Yes, I am coming with you. Yes, I am coming with you. आपका घर कहाँ है? Where is your house? Where is your house? मेरा घर पार्क के पास है. My house is near the park. My house is near the park. क्या आपको सब्जियां पसंद हैं? Do you like vegetables? Do you like vegetables? क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Can you help me? Can you help me? मैं किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ. I am reading a book. I am reading a book. आप क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing? What are you doing? हाँ, ये मेरा पेन है. Yes, it is my pen. Yes, it is my pen. क्या ये आपका पेन है? Is it your pen? Is it your pen? ये एक किताब है. This is a book. This is a book. ये क्या है? What is this? What is this? हाँ, मुझे सब्जियां पसंद हैं. Yes, I like vegetables. Yes, I like vegetables. क्या आप इसे दोहरा सकते हैं? Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? मुझे अपनी चाबी नहीं मिली. I could not find my keys. I could not find my keys. आपको पानी पीना चाहिए. You should drink water. You should drink water. ये मेरी किताब है. This is my book. This is my book. हम जाने के लिए तैयार हैं. We are ready to go. We are ready to go. अब मैं बेहतर महसूस कर रही हूँ. I am feeling better now. I am feeling better now. मैं स्कूल में हूँ. I am at school. I am at school. आप मेरी सबसे अच्छी दोस्त हैं. You are my best friend. You are my best friend. दुकानें बंद हैं. The shops are closed. The shops are closed. वे बहुत व्यस्त हैं. They are very busy. They are very busy. मैं बाजार में थी. I was at the market. I was at the market. वे कक्षा में थे. They were in the class. They were in the class. हम देर से थे. We were late. We were late. ये मेरी गलती थी. It was my mistake. It was my mistake. कल छुट्टी थी. Yesterday was a holiday. Yesterday was a holiday. उसके पास छोटी दुकान है. He has a small shop. He has a small shop. मैं फिर से कोशिश करूँगी. I will try again. I will try again. वह हमारे साथ जुड़ेगी. She will join us. She will join us. कमरा साफ है. The room is clean. The room is clean. वह गाड़ी खरीदेगा. He will buy a car. He will buy a car. मैं ये समस्या हल कर सकती हूँ. I can solve this problem. I can solve this problem. मेरी माँ घर पर है. My mother is at home. My mother is at home. ये मेरा घर है. This is my house. This is my house. पानी ठंडा है. The water is cold. The water is cold. आज सोमवार है. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. वह आपका बैग है. That is your bag. That is your bag. आसमान नीला है. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. वह मेरा भाई है. He is my brother. He is my brother. वह खुश है. She is happy. She is happy. वह आपकी मदद करेगा. He will help you. He will help you. हम अंग्रेजी सीखेंगे. We will learn English. We will learn English. वह कल आएगी. She will come tomorrow. She will come tomorrow. मैं आपको फ़ोन करूँगी. I will call you. I will call you. वे मैच जीतेंगे. They will win the match. They will win the match. मैं अंग्रेज़ी बोल सकती हूँ. I can speak English. I can speak English. वह खाना बना सकती है. She can cook food. She can cook food. वह तेज दौड़ सकता है. He can run fast. He can run fast. वह अच्छा नाच सकती थी. She could dance well. She could dance well. मैं समझ नहीं पाई. I could not understand. I could not understand. आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. You can ask me. You can ask me. हम ये कर सकते हैं. We can do it. We can do it. वह तेज तैर सकता था. He could swim fast. He could swim fast. क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Could you help me? Could you help me? हम सितारे देख सकते थे. We could see the stars. We could see the stars. आपको पढ़ना चाहिए. You should study. You should study. हमें मेहनत करनी ही चाहिए. We must work hard. We must work hard. उसे माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए. He should say sorry. He should say sorry. मुझे जल्दी उठना चाहिए. I should wake up early. I should wake up early. हमें बड़ों का सम्मान करना चाहिए. We should respect elders. We should respect elders. मुझे अब जाना ही होगा. I must leave now. I must leave now. हम कल जा सकते हैं. We may go tomorrow. We may go tomorrow. बारिश हो सकती है. It might rain. It might rain. वहाँ जा सकती हूँ. I might go there. I might go there. हम कल मिल सकते हैं. We might meet tomorrow. We might meet tomorrow. वह व्यस्त हो सकता है. He might be busy. He might be busy.